Hey viewers, welcome back. So when we were shooting our latest tutorial series for our premium courses and all access, Millet, my crew and I stumbled upon this fascinating place that looks like a retro 1960s American diner. So we decided to do some bikini portraits on location to show you how I work with the lights, the model and my crew to get some simple shots. So this lesson is one part out of 3. After that, we proceeded to the pool area and we did 2 new episodes for our premium courses and all access, where you learn how to soften the light and widen the light with these 2 tutorials. So that's it. I want you to enjoy this tutorial where we shoot some nice colorful portraits of Millet in this retro looking diner. I want to put a chair here and then I want this as a background. So what I want you to do is that show me what you can do. Maybe something like with long legs and then just look at that carnival there, Ken. See, this is what happens when Millet rains. Bad mood. First off, I like to set my flash and I'm using a Godox. So one of the best way to use the TT685 is to use the radio wireless mode. This flash has 3 amazing modes. The first one, you can plant it on top of your camera, or you can use optical trigger. When a flash goes off, it goes off, or you can do like what I do, set them to channel and using the radio trigger. And that's it. If you're using radio trigger, you need to install the transmitter on your camera. And you can set them to different groups and different channel. If you're a premium courses subscriber, you can actually learn this in detail how you can use this flash to its full capacity. And viewers, here are my settings. You can use your own and experiment with it. So normally when I use a flash, I try to underexpose my camera, so when the flash goes off, it's gonna be looking fine. And then what I do is I set up my camera, and since this place looks so neonly colorful, I've got to set this to a stronger color. You can boost up the saturation or you can even do this. Okay, shoulder don't so high. Right, that's nice. Okay, look at the camera, give me another pose. Yeah, I love that. That's nice. 1, 2. That's really nice. Go, go, go. Yeah, okay, I like that. Take note that when I'm shooting outdoor, I typically use a small umbrella, and my de facto modifier would be a collapsible umbrella. Working with a softbox is just gonna be cumbersome because most of the time the crew will go with the car, I will be going with the motorcycle. That way I can travel lighter with a very small 30 centimeter umbrella. 1, 2, and look in front straight. Yeah, 1, 2. Right, hand maybe different a bit. Yeah, okay, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and yeah. Oh, that's fantastic, we got it. Rotate, rotate. Ah, good. Okay, Millet. And 1, 2, go. Look at me direct. 1, 2, go. So viewers, here are the photos that I want to share with you. They can be very simple, but I just love how easy it is to shoot something that simple. Take note of how the rim light just interacts with our model Millet. It would be better if I can have yellow or amber colored gel, but we'll make do. So viewers, I hope you enjoy this. Remember, this is part 1 out of 3 tutorials which I want you to enjoy. The other 2 tutorials are available on my premium courses or all access here. So head on to my website now, support my paid content so that I can continue making videos like this for you. And one more thing, this is the final week we're having our Independence promo. Everything is 50%. If you miss this week, everything will revert to the normal price. So if you watch this, head on there now, sign up and get everything in there for 50%. Check out the all access and the premium courses. Check out the number of subscribers that we have worldwide. So I hope I get your support. And as usual, enjoy the outtakes. In the meantime, you just look nice and sexy, huh? Don't that tummy all, huh? Yeah, this girl very funny one. We want her to look nice, then after it's not nice, no fans already. Okay?